So to begin with the installation, we are going to identify all the camera points on the drawing of which were given by the client, and then position our circular boxes and link all our pipes to it. In this case, we are using 20 mm PVC pipes for the entire installation, and then run the pipes through the ceiling. This is an acoustic ceiling. It doesn't have the strength to hold heavy load, so we are going to clip them on the slab and then start with our cable work by using Hikvision Cat6 UTP or SFTP cable. If you want the same quality type of cable, you can contact Security Sheet for all your security gadgets. They have cable, they have network switches, they have PTZ cameras, they have solar cameras. They are also into DAWA cameras as well. So you can contact them for all your security gadgets. So we are going to go ahead and run our cables to the server room where we are going to leave the digital recorder to. Or you can equally leave it to where you want it. After that, we'll try and bind all the cables together. Make sure we consider cable management. Put the cables together and then identify by tagging all the cables with the locations of where the cameras are. This will be very simple for you when the time of termination comes. So here is our cable. We are trying to coil them. Make sure we tidy up the entire place. This is a server room, so you need to keep the place clean for your own good.